The Samsung Galaxy S7 Active claims to be waterproof, drop-resistant, and shatterproof. But the true question is, can it survive 10 seconds in a blender? Well, you're about to find out. It might be kind of hard to watch the slow-mo of this beautiful phone being destroyed, but there's something pretty spectacular about it. You can see the motherboard and all the components of the phone just explode as the phone quickly turns into nothing but scrap metal. Well, it kicked up a big cloud of smoke, and it had a really unique smell to it too. Kind of like a mix of plastic with some battery leftovers and then some burnt metals in there too.